This summer we had a doe and a buck kicking around the yard, and a sibling named the doe Bernadette and the buck Fernando. Then when they disappeared for a little bit, and then they came back, and Bernadette had 2 fawns. So my sibling named the 2 fawns Lucy and Ricky. So they're kicking around. Bernadette just went over behind the tree branch there, and then the fawns are over there. So there's a picture that I'll get off that was on a camera that the sibling took of the deer having fun in the waterfall out back. So that sunset, oh, I went out of focus. There we go. That sunset is gorgeous. So there usually is another doe with these guys, or there's another buck or 2 that hangs out. But so far it's just the does that we've seen. But I will get a hold of their camera and get that picture for you guys.